Doing the carburetors, like with any carburetors, you've got to be extremely careful to make sure you get every single little bit perfectly clean. But these carburetors have a couple of things which you must be particular about. This here is an enrichment device. An enrichment device. There must be a hole in it which allows air to come up into the fuel supply. If that hole is blocked, and it quite often is, it's an absolute pig to clear it, because that device is in the carb, it's part of the carb body. You can't take it out. So be really careful, make sure that is clear. Clear all the little holes here in the emulsion tube. The little pilot air screw, there must be a rubber washer on the end here, which at the moment on this particular one is still in the carburetor, still in the body. So I've got to dig that out. If you don't, then you could have a leak at the pilot air, which is going to be an absolute pig. And another thing that I've always found whenever I've done these, put new jets in, that pilot jet. To try and clear that pilot jet, it's an absolute pain in the proverbial, and you get a little tiny bit in there, and that can cause unbelievable havoc on the carbs when you're actually trying to tune them. And I think they're about £4 each. So really, for the money, just buy a new jet and fit it in. If you buy a complete overhaul kit, you get jets with it, even the main jet, which is brilliant. But yeah, just be extremely fastidious. Make sure you look at every single bit. Make sure you spend ages cleaning it, blowing everything through, and replacing anything that doesn't look right. If you do it properly and you make a nice job of it, the carbs will be superb, and the engine will then run bloody lovely.